Hello friends, a very good evening to everyone, and today I would like to tell about the book Awaken the Giant Within You by Tony Robbins. So let's start what is in that book. So we are going with the flow of our life. From our starting of our lives, we'll go as how the surrounding people are, how the people around us are going, just copycatting them. And we don't set any goals or achievements in our life, in the flow of our life. But in this book, Tony Robbins have clearly explained how we need to set our goals, what are all the four areas of our life, and how we can achieve those goals in a very effective manner. The very first thing before setting your goals is you should have a very inspiring vision. So once you have an inspiring vision, you will get a belief or faith within yourself. So when you have that belief or complete faith within you, you can achieve whatever you want to be in your life. So in our life, we have four areas which we need to concentrate, and we need to set our goals accordingly. The very first thing is the career or business goals, which is nothing but our dream job or our dream business which we really want to start. And the next thing is personality development. So how our attitude should be in the society, or how we need to communicate with the others. All those kinds of things will come in the personality development. And the third thing is the fun and adventure goals. Even though if you have the first two things, even though if you achieve the first two goals, if you don't have any enjoyment in your life, there is of no value, like how much you earned in your life, like what kind of attitude you will have. So this fun and adventure goal is also very important in your life. And the last one but not the least, the contribution goal, like giving back or helping others. By giving back and helping others, you will come to know your capability, and you will get satisfied that you are responsible for someone's life. You are responsible for the growth of someone's lives. It may be any kind. It may be through some kind of financial support, or you can share some knowledge to others for improving in their lives. It may be any kind of goal. So these four goals, like these four areas in your life, is very important. So if you balance all these things, you can achieve, like you achieved almost all the things in your life. So whenever like you have all these things in your mind, all these goals in your mind, what you need to do is put down all those things in a paper. When you write all those goals in a paper, then you can vision that, like how you need to achieve, or what are all the things you need to do. So for each and every goal, when you write, also write what are all the limitations you have in achieving that particular goal. Why I'm telling this, to write the limitations to achieve that particular goal, is when you write that particular limitations, because those limitations you will come to know because you had some past experiences, you have some failures in achieving that particular goal in your past. So that's the reason you'll come to know, like those are the limitations for achieving that particular goal. So when you know the failures will come across in your life in achieving that particular goal, then you can overcome that if we get any those goals in your life. So this is the very first thing we should do while writing your four kind of goals. And the very next thing we should know is, don't limit your beliefs at all. Maybe because of your past experiences, or fears or interpretations, based on all those things, you may limit your beliefs. But the very one thing we should remember is, when you get any failure in your life, please don't stop that over there. Because usually what happens is, when you get a failure in that particular area, in any one task, if you come across the same task in the future, you will think like you got failed in that particular thing, so you don't want to start it at all. But that is not the case. As you have already failed in that particular thing, you know how to overcome it, you know where you have failed, in which aspect you need to improve that. So take these failures as an experiences, and just go on for achieving your goals. So if you do in that way, so that you need not limit your beliefs, instead of just limiting your beliefs, just believe, uh, give your 100% to achieve, by using your failures as an experiences or stepping stones for your success. And the next thing we should know is the pain and pleasure associated within us. Yes, we have many pains in our lives, but if we could able to change that pains into pleasures, then it will help us to give utmost success in our life. So what Tony Robbins usually says is, when you could manage your pains and pleasures in your life, then only you could get success. Okay, you should know how to use pains and pleasures in your life. I'll tell you one example. You are reading a book. You are not very much interested in reading that book, but you need to complete that particular book on the same day. So what you need to do, many of us like music, so we can listen that. While listening, you can go through that book. Or else some may like some kind of comics, or some may like drawing. So what they need to do is, when we are reading that, visualize or relate those which you are reading into paintings or some kind of drawings, draw on a paper, or relate that to your real time world. So when you started doing that, when you started linking that particular pain to the pleasure, that means what we like mostly, then you will overcome that. And not only that, create your own rules. Said that on that for that particular time you need to complete some portion of the book. So when you complete that particular portion, you will get that pleasure that you have achieved something. So a power will start igniting in you when you did what you have thought of completing it. So in that way, start creating your own rules in doing any work to get pleasure. So in this way, you need to shift your pain to pleasure. And the next thing is the actions and not doing any action. Okay, this action is nothing but the pleasure. As I said earlier, when you completed something, that is nothing but an action. When you completed an action, you got a pleasure. So when you didn't do that, so that is definitely a pain. So if you started postponing your work, if you started procrastinating your work for the next day or to the other day, so all your work will get piled up. So at one point of time, you cannot even start to do that work. So what you need to do is, you should not you should not procrastinate that work. You should act on it in order to get a pleasure. Instead of postponing that, and instead of getting any pain, just try to complete that particular action and get the pleasure. So in this way, if you could able to manage your pains and pleasures, you can overcome, or you can achieve your goals in a very successful way. So this is what I want to share with you, which I learned from the book, Awaken the Giant Within You. So doing, like, following all these things, you can come to know the power within you, so that you can achieve anything with belief and faith, because you do have a proper source, and you have the accuracy, like all these from your failures or from your planning, you got the source and accuracy of what you want to do in your life. So you will become a giant in your life if you follow all these things. So please follow it. Thank you.